Today I'm going to cook up this big bag of chicken wings. I'm going to turn the oven on to pretty hot, 220. That's about 425 Fahrenheit jingles. And we'll let that heat up. I've got a big wad of butter which I'll stick in a bowl. And I'll just nuke that for like 30 seconds. Now I'll add a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder or garlic salt, and I like white pepper, so I'll add in about a teaspoon of that too. If you want it hot, add some hot stuff like chili flakes, but I'm not having it too hot today. Now pour in the chicken wings. If you want to touch them by your hands, go for it, mate. I can't stand touching chicken. It's so gross, unless it's in my mouth, and then I'm devouring it. But it's got to be cooked first. So I'll just coat it in this mixture. So now I'll line my baking tray, which I'm using, with some baking paper. Maybe turn it the other way. That might help. And I'll lay out the chicken wings on top. I got bits left, so I'll just stick them on top like this, into the crevices. That's where I like to stick them. Touch the chicken if you have to. Hate touching it. So gross. Ah, gross! Now I'm going to stick it in the oven for about half an hour. And then after this half hour, I'm going to come back and turn them over. Well, it's looking good. So I'll just turn them over for even cooking. Get them crispy on all sides. Well, hopefully. And back in the oven for about another 15 or 20 minutes. You can put them in 15, then maybe turn the oven off and leave them sit there for a little while. Whoa! Alright, well while that's cooling down, I might make a bit of a hot sauce dip. Get some butter. We'll nuke that for 30 seconds. Now, I've got some hot sauce here, which I'll add a lot of in. I'll add a bit more paprika. I'll add some Worcestershire sauce and twice as much apple cider vinegar. You can add some extra salt and pepper if you like, but I ain't gonna. Might want to make sure that butter's nicely melted properly too. Let's try a wing. Oh my God, that's delicious. And what about this hot sauce? Oh, that's so good. Oh man, this is so good. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen where the food